Welcome to the Iguana QiCapture demonstration. In the login screen, we can select the language and we can log in with our username and password. After entering our login credentials, we come here in the job management overview. Here we see the different jobs which we have created. We see the creator and we see also the status of the different kind of jobs. So a job is ready for scanning when it is created. It's in the scanning status when it is being scanned, and it comes in finished status when it is exported. If you have a long list of jobs, the job manager gives you the possibility to search on specific criteria, for example, the status of a job, and search for specific jobs which are already, for example, finished or already ready for scanning. Also, you can search by operator or title and so on. So let's go back to the main overview. In the next step, I will show you how to create a new job. We can create a new job, give the job title, set the publisher, author. Further, we have here the physical characteristics. This is only applicable if you use the Qidenus robotic system. In the priority settings, you can change the priority for the export. If you put it in high, the job will be exported as the next in line. In the export tab, we can set the file type for the pre-processed images, and in the processed tab we can define our output formats. A single file, TIFF, uncompressed, or we can select multiple formats. Further, we can here define the folder and subfolder structure, and we can set the file naming rules. So we select here, we set the number of digits and the page where it starts. Then, if we are fine with the job settings, we can save and close, or we can save the job for future use as a template. Save. So we have added here our job as a template for the future. In the next part, I will show you how to scan a job. Further, you have also the possibility, when you have a job created, to delete it or still view the details of a job you have created. So you can see all the details of the job you have created before. So let's start scanning. We go to the image acquire. In the image acquire, we can scan by Canon or Nikon cameras. We can scan with a single camera or dual camera, or we can also use the file importer. So with this demonstration, I will use the file importer and import from a directory. So as you can see, we import here all the images, left and right side. In the image acquirer, this is our scan user interface. Here, the operator has the ability to scan, of course, and to show to the quality of the scanned images. Zoom, left, right, we can zoom, fit to page. Further, we have the possibility to insert and to delete images. Delete, for example. We cannot adapt the view of the images of the, so the thumbnail size we can change here. When we are done with scanning, we can close and we go to the next step, which is the image processing or quality control. Depending on your job, it can be just viewing to the images to check the quality, if the quality is fine, but it can also be that you have to crop images, do deskew on the images. For this example, I will just show you how to do the cropping. So we can select the crop area, we can crop the selection to the right side. I can apply the crop on all the left side images, or I can apply it on all the right side off on just this image. So in this case, I will just apply it only to this image. Further, we have the possibility to edit an image or a selection of images. For this demonstration, I show you how to edit this image. So here we see the editing image. We can apply different kind of filters like brightness, contrast, sharpening. We can also put it in grayscale. We can put it in black and white. When we change some settings, we can save it as a template, or we can apply already existing templates we have created before. So we apply now the adjustments to this single image. If we are fine with all the scanned images and with the editing we did, we can export our job. We can export it now, or we can export to a scheduled time and date, like how we decide to do so. So for this example, I show how to export it now. So we export, yes. So now a connection with the database is made, and you see that the export is started, multi-page PDFs are created, and so on. When the job is exported, our job comes in the status of finished.